Guys, Creamball back again with another reaction video. To go check out Prince Swanny, Ztekk Bomber feat Shane E. So we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. A good amount of people have been requesting this video, so it must be fire. We're gonna check it out and see. Chop top. What's looking sweet? Juggy. Wait. I think someone sing a song. Juggy, all me, link them, muddy, juggy. I remember some.
50 caliber sing ship Titanic, Swanny, race them 3 points Sonic, them can't escape, the rod can't run from it. Juggy settings can speak in a Spanish, no English, them can't understand it. Fling up the clip or a chick, then slam it. Head bust, foot twist up by Yannick.
Damn.
Head ground carbon it, Trinidad.
This is Saddam.
Yo, wait, what's with all the long ass chain, bro? What's going on with the chains in Trinidad, bro? Like this whole long chain thing. What's going on with that? I see it more than one time, but I wanted to ask.
Rifle a beat balance the things steady. Cup a shot in your head, bust out the big jelly. Them want start the war and done deady. You see them know, say the jaggy them mad. Wave me right,
Juggy.
just wave me rock on a carnival time in a Trinidad. Them want start the war and then ball. Alright.
Hell, the two are must be a Trinidad thing still.
Dog, wait, reverse. Out to the window, the 15 a burst. 5.56 put you in a hearse.
Oh my god, that's brutal, bro. Jack them.
Anyway, then they are simple things for me, don't be them.
We go feed them a mad sitting. All of me link them jaggy. Drag them quick ficky. Yo, Swanny.
Are them fierce out. Them not name your food. Honest to God, the all of them look like murder. Listen, them look like murder. Them fit for the video. Them look like killers, like top-notch killers, bro. I don't know, they could be normal person, but that's the way they look right now. Anyway, guys, this is an reaction video of Prince Swanny, Trinidad artist, Ztekk Bomber. Yeah, so this is the end of the reaction.